It's been a while since I truly talked about Amber Heard or Johnny Depp, at least a month now. But recently, as far as yesterday, Johnny Depp's lawyers said that he did not get a fair trial. This news article particularly comes from The Guardian, and I'm going to read it out loud. Before I get started, I do want to say I am not entirely aware of the court case that happened with Amber Heard. I did only see the people questioning her about the events, and that was really. But besides that, I do know a lot of people were angry at the judge for siding with Amber Heard instead of Johnny Depp, and that he might have a bias against him. So anyways, let's get started. It says Depp's barrister David Sherborne has asked the appeal court to set aside the judgment and order a new trial. If permission to appeal against Nichols' judgment is given, in documents filed with the appeal court on Thursday, Depp's lawyers claimed Nichols' ruling was manifestly unsafe. Depp's legal team claimed Nichols failed to undertake any or an adequate analysis of Ms. Heard's shifting account, despite the importance of consistency as a consideration of a witness's testimony. Andrew Nichols is the judge and the man responsible for the court case against Johnny Depp. But this is where it gets interesting. The barrister also argued, the conclusion which flows from an overall assessment of the judgment is that Mr. Justice Nichols decided to find for the victim but failed to provide the necessary analysis to explain or justify that conclusion. Basically, Nichols did not make an in-depth analysis on the evidence that Amber Heard gave him, and instead he just followed with a conclusion that she gave. But here's what Nichols had to say about that. Sherborne said Nichols concluded that the appellant was guilty of serious physical assaults without taking account of or even acknowledging that Ms. Heard had been untruthful in her evidence, without testing her account against the documentary evidence and the evidence of other witnesses, and without making any findings that he disbelieved those witnesses. Since when are words really considered evidence in a court case? But you know what's funny? Amber Heard did not bring up the black eye that Johnny Depp supposedly gave her. Heck, I even did a whole video on the interview and the black eye. If you haven't seen it, I did a comparison of her black eye with another person's black eye. So even if Amber Heard brought this up, it wouldn't even matter. All she had to say is that Johnny Depp abused her and she wins. I don't know how competent Andrew Nichols is as a judge, but if this is the way he handles court cases, then he should be fired. That's all I really have to say about this story. So anyways, have a good day.